Everyone, welcome to the next topic. In this topic, I will tell you how you can import video, audio, or other stuff in your After Effects. So now we will learn how we can import the media to the After Effects. So there are many methods to import the media, but I will tell you two methods and the simplest methods. So the simplest method is, here is the video that I want to import. So the simplest thing to do is just grab and drop the video to the project panel. This is the project panel and this is the file. So just grab this and drop it over the project panel. It takes a few seconds. But now you can see that here the video is imported and the format is AVI. This is the simplest method to import the media. Let me remove this and I will tell you another method. Here you can see the file above. Just click on the file and then select import. Then again select the file. When I click on this, you can see the browse panel here. You can choose the video. Here is the video. Just select this and import it. Now we import this video again. Now if you want to drop this video in the composition, so just drag and drop this here. I will tell you again, just drag and drop this video from the project panel to the composition. So this is how you can import the video into the timeline of the After Effects. You can see in the layer panel, the video layer is created. You can also just drop the video in the layer panel. You can see the video in the preview. Just press space to check this. If you want to increase the quality of the preview, just change this quarter to full. Then the resolution of the preview window increases. It will lag in the full. If you don't have a high-end PC, then you can change it to quarter again. Then it won't be laggy. But if you have a high-end PC, then you can set it as full. In this we talk about how we can import the media. In the next topic, we will talk about how we can make the composition from the media. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and share the video.